All right, we're back with another hieroglyph. What is this flat sign with the little dots under it? We'll get into that in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss future videos like this one. All right, so let's get into what is this hieroglyph a picture of and how was it used in ancient Egyptian? Well, this is actually a picture of land, basically like a flat piece of land, and then the dots below it are little grains of sand. And unsurprisingly, this hieroglyph is actually used for the Egyptian word for land, which is ta, a T aleph. And if you're not familiar with what aleph is, I will link a video I have on that topic up here in the right-hand corner. So in modern times, we pronounce this ta, and this is one of these cases where this hieroglyph, while it is a phonetic sign, that is, it represents sounds, it's really only used in words that relate to the idea of land. Mainly in the word that's just a plain word meaning land. So let's see how this can be used. So you can write land if you just have one of these signs, but you can also, of course, use it if you wanted to talk about multiple places, lands. And in Egyptian, in addition to having a singular, that is for like one land, or plural if you're talking about many different lands, they also had what's called a dual. That is, there's a separate ending for words when you have two of something. Now in Egyptian, a very common way of referring to Egypt is to say the two lands. And in Egyptian, this is tawi. So this is an example of how the dual is used. For a masculine word like ta, the dual ending is wi, this wy. And so you can do this in a couple of different ways. You can spell out the sounds for the wi by using other hieroglyphs to represent that. Or if your word only has one hieroglyph in it to start with, like ta, or like when we've seen nefer before, for example, you can actually just double the sign, and then that also gives you tawi, the two lands. So this is often used in the epithet for the king, the lord of the two lands. All right, that's it for today. I'll be back with another hieroglyph soon. See you then.